This spring, we designed and built 3 Hugelkultur mounds. 2 of them were 15 feet long and 3 feet wide and have done amazing. They've produced the best cabbages I've ever grown, incredible kale, and a ton of squash. Delicata, zucchini, patty pan. The final mound we built was a spiral Hugelkultur roughly 30 feet in length. We top dressed it with garden compost and boosted the soil content with comfrey leaves and bokashi and mulched it down with a healthy layer of straw. This is the mound 2 months later. All that we planted was corn, cantaloupe, watermelon, and about a month ago we direct seeded some bush beans. As you can see, the cantaloupe is doing amazing. It is getting healthily pollinated and there are tons and tons of flowers, so we're looking forward to a good result of the cantaloupe. Walking through the spiral Hugelkultur is a very fun experience. When I planted the corn, I made the mistake of direct seeding a day before a week-long bout of cold weather. I was pretty concerned that I had ruined the crop, but as you can see, it's looking amazing. Most stalks have excellent pollination and we're looking forward to a pretty good harvest if things go well. In this shot alone, you can see at least 7 corn cobs. A nice pink one right there. I'd say the best part of the experiment is the amount of volunteer vegetables that popped up. The compost we added was obviously not fully finished and thus gifted us with a wide variety of edibles. I've had countless salads, more squash than we know what to do with, and a surprising amount of cherry tomatoes who are unaware that they are bad companion plants with corn. This guy here we propped up with a piece of bamboo and it is massive and going to be producing well. Some watermelon there, some lettuce behind it. In the back there, we've got some volunteer fennel, which will be used for salads later down the line. One thing people should be aware of is that we have been watering this mound. Since we designed this mound in late April, we missed any winter rains and the wood we used is still a ways off from releasing its water content. We've got irrigation, so it's not a big deal. The intention is to create good soil and a garden bed that can adapt to a drier climate. Not only have we gotten a ton of food out of this mound, but it's been really, really fun to watch its evolution. I'm hooked. Hope you enjoyed this little update. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and as always, thanks for your support.